This video is sponsored by Rose Colored Apocalypse. More about them at the end. So this video is in regards to people who like to question science and people who like to say question the science and that science is supposed to be questioned. That's how science works. Science is supposed to be questioned. It's supposed to be questioned by scientists. And there are certain scientific things that we're just not qualified to question. I mean, most of them. You, me, and in most cases, a bachelor degree does not qualify you to question the science, sorry to say. Take gravity as an example. You're supposed to question the science. Sure. But there are things that scientists just don't question anymore. And won't unless there is evidence that they're wrong. So gravity pulls us towards the Earth. It's not something scientists really question anymore. But if they discovered a new force that exists in the universe that they reasonably believe may be the thing that pulls us towards the Earth rather than gravity, they would question it. You, me, the average person that isn't a physicist shouldn't question whether gravity pulls us towards the Earth because we're not going to discover another force that pulls us towards the Earth. So I use the example of gravity because it's something that isn't controversial. I think it's something we can all agree on, that we don't question gravity. We don't question that that's the force that pulls us towards the Earth. And we're not qualified to question whether that's the force that pulls us towards the Earth. But the same principle applies to biology, to vaccines. We're not qualified to question what's in them, for example. I hear people say, oh, there's this and this compound in vaccines, and that worries me. I don't think it's safe. But a compound alone isn't something that is necessarily dangerous or not. Look at hydrogen peroxide. It's got hydrogen in it. Does that mean hydrogen is dangerous in everything? No, it doesn't. Hydrogen, you drink hydrogen peroxide, it's going to kill you. But there's hydrogen in water, and you need it to live. So hydrogen is not a determining factor. There's more to it than people know. Do you know why hydrogen peroxide kills you? I don't. Because I'm not a scientist. So I'm not going to question, oh, should I drink hydrogen peroxide? There's hydrogen in water, so it should be safe, right? It's just... This isn't to say science and the scientific method is pure in our society. Yes, there are corrupt people who will say whatever the people paying them want them to say. But to me, that's not an argument against science or against the scientific method. It's an argument against corruption and an argument against capitalism. Thank you. So Rose Colored Apocalypse, it's a theater company. Didn't really sponsor this video. It's my theater company. And I'm talking about it because I might use this background a fair amount, and this was a product of a show Rose Colored Apocalypse did in collaboration with Dallenberg Museum, the Manitoba Arts Council, and Teresa Thompson. She actually painted this and co-directed and co-produced the show, and yeah, I'm just gonna plug myself. Thanks for watching.